Bracelets, bracelets, bracelets. Now y'all knew I had to complete the set. We had to do it, man. We had to triple up, get all three colors. Like I told y'all, man, Patta loves me. Patta has love for all. Hit the B-roll. Yes, sir. Today's review is on the latest Patta Nike Air Max 1. And this is called the Patta Waves Rush Maroon. I kind of wanted to say mushroom. Who eats mushrooms? In the comment section below, let me know if you eat mushrooms. It's not for me. But it does give you a mushroom look. But it's called Rush Maroon, not mushroom. And this one is different than the other two because this is actually leather. I like leather, I'm not gonna lie, but suede is kind of more my thing. But I love how they changed it up. That's number one. This one has a little bit more colors than the other two colorways too, as the other two colorways give you the blue and the silver, and then the orange and the silver. I'm really not sure what orange. I'm gonna go brown, light brown with the silver. But here, yeah, you see it. You see how the swoosh has that mirror look? It's reflecting. You got the mushroom brown up here. You got your silver. And then you got your Bordeaux burgundy all around the shoe. And also cream if you want to count it. So like I said, this one here has more colors than the originals. We'll get into the rankings and what's my favorite a little more in the video. But without further ado, hit the music. Unboxing time. Boom. Same dope box. I love this black box with the silver foil and the colorful writing all over the box. Patta did good with this box. Team Patta, shout out to y'all. And like the other two, we also get a bracelet. And I checked, it's the same bracelet from the other two. No colorway change, no charm change. It's all the same. There you go. You got your Patta, your Nike swoosh, and it should be a flag in there also. Yes, sir. The flag. The tissue paper stayed the same, as the tissue paper has the black fist. Now let's get into the kicks. Yes, sir. 4K, guys. 4K. My favorite part of the sneaker off the bat, it has to be the swoosh. I love the silver foil reflecting of the swoosh. I wish the blue ones came like that, because that would have took that sneaker up at least 2 points. But that swoosh there is dope. Even though it's the same color of the sneaker, the swoosh gives you the silver look back on that burgundy. And we're going to get into that burgundy colorway again. The top, the sock liner is in the same brown as the first pair we got. So as you see, that brown there complements this brown here. The insole is all black, but it says Patta, very, very huge. I read somewhere that it has a mud guard. When I think of mud guard, I think of trucks and cars. So I'm not really sure what a mud guard is. You know, y'all my guys and girls in that comment section below. You find the mud guard, you let me know. I wonder if this is considered a mud guard. Boom. Again, like the other two, your toe box is draped in that reflective silver. This is dope. I wish more sneakers go with this mesh reflective silver color, and more sneakers to come. It peeks out right there on the outsole. And then it goes down here again in the inside. Of course, you know the waves is the reason these are called waves, and that complements the collab. So it's a regular Air Max 1, but you just have waves now, which is dope. It took the sneaker up, I'm not gonna lie. In the back, you know we love Nike Air on the booty. And it's in the same color as the first colorway, again, on the back. It comes with your same color sneaker colorway shoestrings, but the shoestrings makes this burgundy look a little lighter, more violet purple, I would say. It's not actually the same color as the sneaker. Maybe because of the texture of the shoestrings. This tongue is dope, man. The tongue is also like a reflective aluminum style. As you can see, it's not your regular cotton or mesh tongue. It has a more reflective aluminum foil look. And on the tongue reads Patta in silver. I took out the other shoe to make sure it came with extra laces like the first two pairs, and it does. This is more the color of the sneaker. You see that burgundy look? That's more of a spot-on match to the sneaker. So it comes in like a violet, light purple one, but the burgundy here is really the color of the sneaker. I feel like they should have gave us this brown caramel colorway as a shoestring, but I think they did that on the first pair. I'll double check that in a few minutes. Well, this is the right side. Nothing changed but the shoestrings being attached. Same thing. Same situation. Nike Air. Okay, so after further checking, the blue pair, which might be my favorite just because the blue is so dope, came with a cream colorway shoestring with gray shoestrings attached in it already. Then the original caramel brown khaki, I can never get this color white, did the same thing. Gray is included with the sneaker, but they gave us an extra pair of like off-white sail. And being that I said off-white, I wasn't going to do this. But RIP to Virgil, man. Shout out to you, bro. I'm happy you was able to do everything you needed to do in this world. But now, I know you ain't everything, but you did a lot. You did a lot for me. You did a lot for the culture. RIP Virgil, man. But yeah, the shoestrings here has that off-white colorway or sail white if you want to. And then the new ones gave us some color. Both ways. With the shoestring that's in it already and the shoestring attached. Now, me personally, I know I say because my eyes look and it look like burgundy, but to be honest, depending on what angle you're looking at the shoe, this shoe can be considered like a dark pink. I'm not gonna lie. It looks like blood when it dries up. Also, the sneaker plays tricks on the eyes. I'm not gonna lie.
Got it.
In that comment section below, I want y'all to let me know which colorway is your favorite. The first pair I brought the shirt for, so I know I might wear that one first. But this blue has to be my favorite, man. I just got so many sneakers in this blue colorway, but this one would have to be my favorite just because it's no brainer that silver and blue or blue and gray, whatever colorway, blends perfect. So this one here might be my favorite. The original colorway might go second, and the latest ones for now may go last. But the latest ones gives us more bells and whistles than the original. From the reflective tongue to the colorful shoestrings to the just more colors in this sneaker than the other two put together. These are more basic, but sometimes basic wins, especially when you talk about an Air Max 1 or Air Max 90 or Air Max 95. The basics always win when it comes to those sneaker silhouettes. So yeah, I don't want to hold y'all too long. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for checking me out. Thanks for commenting. Thanks for liking. Thanks for subscribing. I respond to everyone. I'm here for the people, man. I appreciate the love, and I'll give it right back. If you a shoe tuber that's just starting out and your views are like 10 views, 8 views, 20 views, let me know in the comment section below, man. Let me go on your channel, watch some of your content, man. I'm here for the people. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody get rich.